Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about tables in HTML. Why tables are used? The tables allow the web developers to arrange the data in the form of rows and columns. To create a table in HTML, the tag we are using is table tag. And this table tag is a pair tag, means opening and closing. This is the syntax. Now, by this, one table is created. Inside the table, you need to create different rows with different values. So, next one is table rows. The tag is tr. Tr specify table row. Simply, it represents horizontal lines. That means simply to create rows, we are using tr tag. See this one inside the table. Here, this is the tr. By this, one row is created. Now, anyway, row is created. What is the next step? You need to fill some value for that table cell. So, the tag name is td. Simply it is called table data. That is whatever the data you want to fill, that is td tag. Now header. Header specifies, suppose you are creating some table. In the table starting row, we are created as a header. So if you want to make some cells as the header cells, we are creating by using th tag. So till now, what are the tags we discussed? Table tag, which is used to create a table, tr, to create a row. Inside the row, we are creating either headers and data. Now, based on this, we will discuss one example. Now, I open my Visual Studio body. Here, the first step is table. Understand carefully. My first step is creation of table. Okay. Now, tr, tr. So, first row, tr specifies the first row. In this, what I am trying to do, th, some serial number. This is one heading. Now, th, for example, name. This is the second one. Now observe, one row is created. That row consists of two fields. The first field is serial number. The second field is name. Like this, create one more row, tr. Within this, observe what I am doing, td. For example, my serial number is equal to 1. Now, TD, the name I given as Naka. Now, create another row in the similar fashion, TR, TD, some serial number 2, TD. So, my complete name, this one. Now, you got the point. So, first row. The first row consists of, what the first row consists of? Headings. The second row, some data. Third row is also some data. Clear? Now, save this one. Copy the path. Go to the browser. Paste this one. Observe, a table is created. How many rows you created? 3 rows. This is the first row. In the first row, I used th. That's the reason it appears in bold color. Second row, third row. Clear? This is the way to create a table in HTML. Now, move to the next one. Once the table is created, if you want, you can give a caption to the table. I think you understand? For each and every table, You are creating some caption. Caption means simply the name of the table where you need to write. So in the table tag, I written caption. For example, student data. I written the message as some student data. Now save, reload. Observe the caption is generated. Observe the caption student data is generated. Okay. Now, till now, a basic table is created. Basic table. Now, we are moving into different attributes of the table. What are those? Border. So, if you want, you can create a border for the table. Border color, background, height of the table, width of the table, the rules. So, like this, anyway, we will move one by one. Again, we come back, go to this here. Table have some property. What is the first one? Border property. The first one is border property. It creates some border. It creates some border to your table. For example, I given two. Save, refresh. Observe a border is created or not. That is the border. By default, even though table is created, border is not at all created. Now, what are the next one? Border is completed. Next one, border color. Border color is equal to, you can give any color. See this one, previously there is no color. Now refresh. The color of the border becomes red. Color of the border becomes red. Two properties are completed. So BG color in the sense background color. Suppose I given background color some green. Observe, this is the previous one. Now I am refresh. Observe the background color of the table. You got it? Border color means the borders of the table. BG color specifies the background color of the table. Now, not only this, if you want, you can create one background also. If you want, you can create one background also. So, now observe, sir, I have one image. This image is created as the background. Observe, in the background that image is there. In the background that image is there. Clear? This is the background. Next, height. What is the height of the table? You can give any height. Again, so you observe the height of the table height is changed. Similarly, if you want, you can give width of the table, height of the table and width of the table. Got it? Now, the next one is, first I am removing this one. Till now clear, I am removing this one. Just to for understanding the information present in the table. Okay. Now, rules is equal to, three options are there. Either rules is equal to rows or columns or all. For example, I given rules is equal to rows. Now observe carefully what happened. Whenever you are given rules is equal to rows, in the sense the column line is removed. The column line is removed. Suppose if I return rules is equal to columns, then observe what happened. The rows line is removed. The rows line is removed. Suppose if I given rules is equal to all, then nothing. So everything is available. Now observe the table here. The table is this one according to your requirement. For example, understand, I am removing the entire rows. Are you observe the table? Previously, how the name? Name is one box. Naga is one box. Serial number is one box. Yes. Now observe the rules is equal to all. Now you got it? So the complete box is removed for the cell. Complete box is removed for the cell. Up to now clear. Now what are the attributes we discussed? Border is clear, border color, background, height, width and rules. Up to this one is completed. Now move to next one, cell padding and cell spacing. Cell padding and cell spacing, simple thing. Cell padding means simply it places the distance between the text in the cell to edge of the cell. Text in the cell to edge of the cell. For example, I am removing all these. Okay. Now, first execute this one. Observe the position of each and everything. Now write down cell padding is equal to some 30 pixel, whatever it is, you can give any number. Cell padding is equal to this number. Save. Observe what happened if the distance between the cell to the edge, exactly cell spacing. Now observe the same cell spacing, how the table looks like. You got it? Cell spacing. This is the difference between cell padding and cell spacing. So cell spacing simply distance between the cells. Distance between the cells. Okay. These two are also completed. Cell padding is completed. Cell spacing is completed. Now align and we align. Before that, you need to know the most important row span and column span. Row span and column span. What is the meaning of this one? So row span, simply spanning the rows, that is merging the columns. Call span in the sense merging the rows. Merging the rows. We will move to this one. See this one? Column span is equal to, it extends the cells on horizontal row. Row span is vertical row. I will explain with one example. Anyway, create one border. So this cell spacing is not at all required. Okay. First, some student data. First row is available, which consists of this information, serial number and name. Suppose one more row is created, which consists of some value, 1 and Naga. Suppose second row is created. Now, here what you want to do? Call span. Call span in the sense combining the columns. Call span in the sense combining the columns. Here, observe how I am writing. Call span. How many rows I have? I have only 2 rows. Suppose call span. Here I give some name. Remove. Now you got any idea? What is the table? How the table looks like? One table is created. In the table, first row consists of 2 columns. One is serial number, second one is name. Second row consists of same 2 columns. One is the value is 1. Second consists of value Naga. Now, here the third row consists of only 1 column. The two are merged and we are given this value. The two are merged and we are given this value, Raju. Clear? This is call span, horizontal. Now, alignment is there. Alignment in the sense you can align the position of the table. For example, align is equal to right. Align is equal to right. So simply the table is placed at right position. The table is placed at right position. In a similar fashion, you can apply align is equal to left to right to top to bottom. That is for entire table. Now you can give the align for this. Align is equal to some I given right. Now observe. Previously, this colspan row, TD, the Raju is available on the left side. Refresh where the Raju is available on the right side. This is colspan. Clear? So, two columns are merged. This first column and second column are merged. Similarly, move to row span. Exactly what row span specify? Two rows are merged. Two rows are merged. For example, your understanding, I will remove. Again, type one more time. Create the row. One row is created. Within that row, what I am doing? Row span is equal to sum 2. Row span is equal to sum 2. I given name. I given some name. Now create one more. Suppose I given my name. This is the first row. Now, second row, only one field I will give. Now, observe what happened. Think you got it? Two rows are combined. Observe. First row is created. In this, I given row span is equal to 2 means two rows are combined. For that, after combining, I given that as name. So, name is available. Under TD, first value is Naga. In the second row, that is Razu. First row value is Naga. Second row value is Razu. Clear? Now, actually for this row span, we are using V align. V align means vertical alignment. Here, vertical in the sense you can give top, bottom, anyway. Observe, the name position is changed. The name position is changed. Clear? Now, go back. Now, cell spacing is completed. Cell padding is completed. And align, V-align, row span, and column span. All the attributes of tables tag is completed. All the attributes of table tag is completed. Now, I will write down one more example just to understand. One row is created. Observe, one row is created. For that row also you can apply the colors. You got my point? You can apply the property not only for the entire table. Each and every row you can give separately. So, for example, same, I will write down same, serial number, TH, name. First row is created with some background color. Now, create some second row. In this row, TD, for example, serial number 1, TD, Naga. Now, if you want, you can apply for this cell also. If you want, you can apply but for this cell also. For example, bgcolor is equal to green. Save, run. Observe what happened. For the first entire row, I given red. So this is for the row. Here I given bgcolor for this cell only. So only that cell is modified. Only that cell is modified. Remember, not only this. For example, under this TD, instead of value, you can place another tags also. For example, image some SRC is equal to, you have one image, tiger dot. One image is available, JFIF. Close. Now observe, suppose color is not at all required. Now see, in that cell, previously I written a value 1. Now in this, in place of 1, I given some image, save. Observe, this position is occupied with the image. Now you got my point. Whatever you want, you can place in the table. You can place in the each and every cell. You can place in each and every cell. Clear? Now, along with this, basics, you have some more important things. Those are T-head, T-body, and T-foot. What is the meaning of this one? T-head, simply it represents a block of rows. A block of rows that consists of some headers or table elements. So represented with T-head. T-body, simply a block of rows that consists of a body of the data. T-foot means a block of rows that consists of the footers. Now, I will explain with one example. You will get some idea. Now, first I am creating some table. Assume this is the table. Whatever the property you have, you can apply all those properties, border, bgcolor, background, rules, everything you can apply. Suppose a caption. Now, observe what I am doing. Here I am creating some T-head. Okay. T-head. Some bgcolor is equal to, for example, I given green. Now, I am removing this one. Now what happened? Here I am creating some head. How many, whatever the rows you can write within the T head, for all the rows becomes the header. All the rows, the color is green, not only a single. You got it? You can write any number of rows. Similarly, T body, for example, some bgcolor is equal to some red. Now, what is the thing? Whatever the rows you can written inside the T body. For all the rows, these properties are applied. These properties are applied. For example, TR. Here I am writing one row TD1. Okay, like this. Create one more row. Now what happened? Here T-body, whatever you written inside the T-body, this is applied for all the rows. You got it? That is T-head, T-body applies to a block of rows. Similarly, if you want, you can apply T-foot. Simply, while you are creating a table, the table have some header, table have some body, table have some foot, everything is there. Suppose bgcolor is equal to some, suppose some pink. You can write any color, that is not a problem. Some pink. Create one row, tr, some td. I written one message, total td. Now refresh. Are you observe the table? So caption is student data. For all the T heads, that is whatever the rows you created under the T head, that green color is applied. The rows in the T, the red color is applied. For the footer, the pink color is applied. The pink, suppose the total 2 members are there. Like this, you are using T head, T body, T foot also. Generally, instead of basical table tag, every time it is preferred to use T head, T body, and T foot. The table is created in a perfect manner. This is the complete table tag in HTML. Thank you.